Shoulders tight, hips locked, neck stiff. Let's reverse what the desk did in just 5 minutes. If you've been hunched over a keyboard for 8+ hours, this isn't just a stretch. It's a full body reset for your posture, breath, and control. And the final move, it's going to unlock something you didn't even realize was stuck. Let's hit the mat. Let's fix that forward leaning posture. Come out your knees, interlace your fingers behind your back. Gently pull your knuckles down and lift your heart toward the sky. This isn't just a chest stretch, it's a reset for your spine, shoulders after hours of slouching. I promise this movement will create space where you've been feeling compressed. Beginners use a towel between your hands if clasping is tough. Advanced stretches, try gently tilting your chin up, lifting your hands slightly higher. Most people don't realize stretching your chest can relieve tension in your neck. Yep, everything's connected. Pull those hands back a touch more. Hold for 5. Do you feel your collarbone opening up? That's posture power coming back online. That just opened your heart. Now let's release the shoulders. Extend your right arm across your chest. Use your left arm to gently pull it closer. Keep the shoulders relaxed. This stretch is for everyone who's carried stress in their upper traps without realizing it. I promise this will help unglue the tension that's been sitting under your desk job. Beginners, keep the pulling hand light. Advanced stretches, add a slight downward pull for more intensity. Here's a little secret. This simple stretch can help improve your range of motion and pressing movements too. Breathe into it. Give it 5 more seconds. Feel that tug near your shoulder blade? That's the tension melting off. Same setup. Extend your left arm across your chest. Right arm supports and pulls. You may feel tighter on this side, and that tells you something. Muscle imbalances are common for desk workers, and this is how we correct them. Keep breathing, keep softening. Beginners, relax your shoulders down and away from the ears. Advanced stretches, add a small twist from your torso. 5 more seconds. This side deserves it too. Is one side tighter? That's the side that needs more attention the most. That just released your traps. Now let's fix your hips. Sit with your feet flat in front of you. Knees bent. Slowly drop your right knee towards your left foot. Then come back to center and alternate. Go slow and controlled in the windshield wiper motion. Feel the hips. This is subtle, but don't underestimate the impact. It's waking up deep hip rotators you've been sitting on for years. I promise this move unlocks hip mobility that affects your walk, squat, and even how you sit. Beginners, keep feet wider for easier motion. Advanced stretches, try pausing at the end of each drop for an extra stretch. Limited internal rotation is a major contributor to back pain and knee issues. Pause on the tighter side. Hold 5 seconds. Can you tell which hip's more stubborn? That's your body talking. That just unlocked your hips. Now let's finish strong. Stand tall. Reach your right arm up and lean left. Feel the entire side body lengthen. Then switch sides halfway. This one seals in everything we just opened. It reconnects your upper and lower body in one flowing line. I promise you'll walk taller after the stretch. Beginners, keep the arm close to the ear and bend gently. Advanced stretches, press the opposite hand into your thigh for deeper stretch. A tight side body can literally restrict your breath. Stretching it equals more energy. Lean a bit deeper. 5 more seconds. Do you feel your ribs expand? That's the space you've been missing. You gave your body 5 minutes of space, control, and breath, but tension doesn't live in your shoulders. It lives in your mind. It shows up in your habits. It drains your energy even when you sleep 8 hours. When you're burned out, stuck in survival mode, or striving without stress, you don't need a harder plan. You need a reset that nourishes your body, clears your mind, and centers your spirit. That's what the 3-day reset is built for. Daily stretch flows that reconnect you to your body. Scripture plus mindset shifts to clear your mental fog. A Bible-based nutrition rhythm that fuels energy without obsession. It's your full body rhythm reboot, rooted in truth, not trends. If you've been running on empty, this is how you come back stronger. Tap the link in the description or pinned comment to start your free 3-day reset now, because the goal isn't just progress, it's peace that lasts.